This video isn't financial advice, and Will is not your financial guru, so make sure to do your own due diligence. And now, let's begin.
Hello there, welcome to the channel. This is Will. Today, I want to give you a general report about Jonny Blockchain. It's been more than 2 months since I got started. First, I was using the DEX Trader. That's the crypto trading bot that we can use with our MetaMask wallet. It was super easy to use, it was profitable, it's secure because all our funds are inside our MetaMask wallet. After that, I went for the Binance automation. It became my favorite option because I got better returns. So last night, I completed my first month using the Binance connection. During this video, I want to show you the results, and I'm also going to give you my opinions about it. Before we get into it, and if you enjoy this type of videos, I want to invite you to like, subscribe, and share. Your support is always appreciated, and if you want to get in touch with me, you can find me on my open Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. So, Jonny Blockchain and the monthly returns. That's the same question I got all the time. This type of crypto trading bots cannot give you a fixed number. It all depends on the market, it all depends on the coin. Sometimes it depends on your capital. And if this is the first time you hear about this opportunity, they are doing real trading. We have full control of our capital. They are only going to trade on our behalf, but they cannot touch our crypto, not even one single penny. We're going to have the full reports inside our Binance account. We can check all that is happening inside the blockchain. The idea here is to spread your capital into different coins. Spoiler alert, coins with bigger fluctuation are going to give you better returns. And to have a better user experience, let me show you. These guys are giving us a list of the best coins, the tokens with the best results in the last 30 days, 7 days, 24 hours. You can even organize those by popularity. These are the results using the Binance trading bot. But if you click in this tab, you can see all those bots that we can use with our MetaMask wallet. The way to get started is simple, just by clicking in this button. I have many videos explaining how to do this. This video is not about that. This video is about the returns that we got in the last month using the API connection with Binance. I took 1000 USDT to use it inside the Binance automation. I spread that capital into these different coins. I got all type of returns. This one gave a 152%. This one gave a 305%. This one that stops right now, it gave an 87%, 59 right here, 44, 43. Most of them are compounding, but if we check the returns here after 30 days, with a capital of 1000, I got a 316 USDT in return. Just to make it simple, we are talking about that 30% in returns after 30 days. Again, this is not fixed. Not everybody's having the same returns. I saw other accounts, other people having bigger returns. Everybody's starting new bots during different timings, different market conditions. Coins with less fluctuation, coins with bigger fluctuation. As usual, I want to give you my feedback from my personal experience. I try not to interact with the system, just set it up and let it run. I know many of you don't have the experience doing trading. You are probably looking for a system that is easy to use. I was trying to do this testing from that point of view. These are the results that we got after the 30 days, just letting the bot work on our behalf. To me, those are impressive results, considering the capital. You can see right there, having a 30% a month, that is really good. There are other bots with the similar characteristics, giving you only a 10% a month, probably less. And there are also other opportunities giving you 3 times these returns. I'm talking about the risky stuff. The typical crypto scams where you need to send your deposits to someone you don't know over the internet. You will never ever have the transparency that you're gonna have here. Guys, this is completely different. Jonny Blockchain is super secure. Nobody's going to run away with your money. The risk here is completely different. It's probably related to the market conditions. But if you're looking for something that is reliable, a profitable strategy, a solid automation, And on top of that, you're going to have transparency and security. You should definitely give a try to Johnny Blockchain. We only need to pay a license that's going to run for 1 year. The cost is only 25 USDT, and you can run as many bots as you want. If you want to get started, it's super simple. You just need to come right here to the main page, clicking this button, and you will find all the tutorials. Those ones are short and super easy to follow videos. They also have an open Telegram community. Let me show you. If we go back to the previous page, and right here, you're gonna click in this button, in this icon. It's gonna send you directly to the Telegram community. If you wanna talk directly to the admin, there is the CEO. His name is Jeremy. Or if you have any questions for me, if you need help along the way, you can find me on Telegram. Remember, the link is in the description of this video. As usual, I'm going to come back to show you my progress and my earnings inside Johnny Blockchain. If you found some value here, I will appreciate your likes. I will appreciate your comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you can get notifications from those future updates. Thank you so much for sticking here until the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. I'll see you around.